Now let us see exercise 6.3 fourth question. Now see the question. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter finds that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angles of depression of the boats as observed from the aeroplane are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two boats. So now see the question. First you have to understand the question. So in our question what they have given, one aeroplane flies the height of 1800 meter. Okay, so altitude means height. So the height of the aeroplane 1800 meter they have given. From the aeroplane they are looking at the two boats. So where is the two boats? The two boats are in the same direction only they have given. Okay, so sailing towards it is in the same direction. After from the aeroplane they are looking at the one boat in 30 degree angle, another boat in 60 degree angle. Okay, so from the aeroplane they are looking at the one boat in 60 degree angle, another boat in 30 degree angle. They have asked to find out the distance between the two boats. Okay, so now see how to draw the diagram. So here one aeroplane flies in the height of 1800 meter. Okay, so this height they have given, altitude mean height of this aeroplane they have given, that is 1800 meter. From the aeroplane they are looking at the two boats. The two boats are in the same direction only. Okay, so towards sailing towards, or it is in the same direction. So now here one boat, here one boat you can consider. Okay, so here after from the aeroplane they are looking at the boat. Okay, so here after next this boat they are looking at. So you know that this are the line of sight. The horizontal line same only. So from the aeroplane they are looking at here one boat and here one boat. So this is the horizontal line. When they are looking at straight mean this is the horizontal line. So how to put the angle? So here, so one this line of sight and this horizontal line, that is small angle. Already I said I think so 30 degree, otherwise you will confused. So here 30 degree angle you can put it. After, so this horizontal line with this line of sight, so this is the bigger thing. So here bigger angle 60 degree you can put it. Okay, so next this is the ground point, you can join this one. So now see here, put the letter also. This is A, so B, C, D. In our question what they have asked to find out. So in our question first what they have given, here the height of the aeroplane, that is 1800 meter. So here two boats are there. From the aeroplane they are looking at the two boats. So this is the horizontal line it will come. So one boat in 30 degree angle, another boat in 60 degree angle. So angles if you are confusing means first you have to draw. Okay, so after this horizontal line to this line of sight, so that is small angle you can write. Next this horizontal line with the next this line of sight, so that you can write as a bigger angle, that is 60 degree angle you can write. Now you know that here also this two right angle triangle we have got it. So here put it X. Okay, two right angle triangle, one is this ABC. So this one right angle triangle and full right angle triangle, that is ABD. Okay, so two right angle triangle we have got it. Angles how you can write in this right angle triangle. So you know that already I said easily you can remember alternate angles are equal means here this one. Okay, so here, okay, so this is that shape. Here 30 degree it will come. The next one, this ending to this ending. Okay, so this is that shape. So here 60 degree angle mean here also 60 degree angle it will come. Okay, so the next one, here this distance you can consider as a X, this to this distance you can consider as a Y. So in our question they have asked to find out what distance between the two boats. Two boats mean one boat is here. Okay, so at the point C one boat, at the point D another one boat. Okay, so this distance only from this boat to this boat. Okay, so this distance only they have asked to find out. So here that means Y, CD distance, Y only we have taken. Okay, so Y value only we need to find out. Now we have to write all the one. Let AB be an altitude of the lighthouse or lighthouse node. So that is altitude of the aeroplane. Okay. So let AB be an altitude of the aeroplane. So that means AB, the height what they have given 1800 meter. After, let C and D are the boats. So at the point C one boat, at the point D another one boat. Okay, so let C and D are boats. So BC distance what we have taken X, CD distance what we have taken Y. So both together what it will come from this ground point to this ending. So what is the distance? BD distance. BD means BC plus CD, if you add it only we will get. So BC what we have taken, that is X, CD what we have taken Y. So BD means means BC plus CD, so that is X plus Y. So that's that one thing only we have written here. Angles, how we can write, which are the angles are equal? First 30 degree, angle name XAD. Okay, so that is 30 degree. Here 30 degree, what is it? Sorry, CDA or ADC, anyway you can write. Okay, so ADC. Okay, so that is 30 degree. So the next one, 60 degree. 60 degree angle, this one. Okay, so XAC, that is one angle, that is 60 degree. In this here, right, and this 60 degree, how we can write? ACB. Okay, so correctly write XAC. So that is 60 degree. After ACB, that is also 60 degree, because we know that alternate angles are equal, so that's why we have written what are the angles are equal. The next one, first term, which right angle triangle? This right angle triangle we can take. Okay, so already I have drawn separately, so this right angle triangle we can consider. So ABC. So now see here, turn 60 degree. So you know that why we have taken the tan. So this right angle opposite, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so the next one, this angle, this is the opposite side. This angle nearby, this is the adjacent side. Okay, so I know that. So now see here, opposite side we know that, adjacent side we need to find out. Okay, so that's why we have taken, that is tan ratio. Angle is the 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite means AB divided by BC. So here tan 60 degree value from the tabular column we know that. So that value is √3 is equal to AB, that you know that distance of AB, that is 1800 divided by BC, what we have taken, that is X. Okay, not Y, X. So now see here X. So here X value only we are going to find out. So X bring it to this side and √3 bring it to this side. Okay, so X equal to 1800 divided by √3 it will come. So is equal to, so here denominator part you have the √3 irrational factor. Okay, so if you want to remove this one, means what you have to do? So the here 1800, what we can write, 600 into 3, can you write or not? So 603 divided by √3 it will come. So you know that 600 by 3 means 600. 3 also you can write as √3 into √3 divided by √3 it will come. So √3 you can cancel it or not. So then you will get the answer 600 √3 we will get. Okay, so that's why 1800 we have written 600 into 3. So here which number into 3, like that you can take. Okay, so 600 into 3 only 1800. Then 3 you can write as √3 into √3. Then 1 √3 you can cancel it. So we will get the answer 600 √3. Now X is equal to 600 √3 we have got it. Okay, so the next one, next right angle triangle. So that is full right angle triangle. Okay, so ABD. Okay, so that right angle triangle. So AB you know that 1800, BD you know that we have taken X plus Y only. Okay, so can you understood or not? So this full length we are taking, this full right angle triangle mean this full length it will come, that is BD length mean already we know that is X plus Y. Okay, so this part, that is X, this part Y, this both part if you add it only, that is BD distance. So that is X plus Y. So I have to write, I have drawn separately. So this part X plus Y, here 1800. So I know that the right angle opposite, this is the hypotenuse. This angle, this is the opposite side. This is the nearby, that is adjacent side. So now see here turn 30 degree. Full right angle triangle mean turn 30 degree only it will come. Okay, so now see, turn 30 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite means 1800, adjacent means that is X plus Y. Okay, so AB divided by BD. So opposite side divided by adjacent side. Tan 30 degree value from the tabular column, you know that is 1 by √3 is equal to AB, that is 1800 divided by BD, that is X plus Y. So can you cross multiply 1 into this part? If you multiply, same only it will come. So X plus Y is equal to 1800 into √3. Now from the first part we know that the X value we know that we only found it. Okay, so that is X is equal to 600 √3, you know that. Can you apply here instead of that? Here X is equal to Y plus X, instead of 600 √3 is equal to 1800 √3. Then Y is equal to this plus part, if you transpose to that side, so what it will come? Minus. Y is equal to 1800 √3 minus 600 √3. So Y is equal to, so same √3 only. So then Can you subtract this one? So 1800, 600, if you subtract 1200, then root 3 it will come. Okay. So now they have asked to find out the y value only. Y value means this distance only from this boat to this boat only. This distance of two boats only they have asked. So y value we have got it. But here we have the root 3, 1800 root 3 like that you have. So root 3 value will know that. So that in your question itself they have given that is 1.732. So can you multiply? Then we will get the distance between the two boats. Y is equal to this and this. Remove the point and multiply. After 3 digit before you can put the point. Okay. So then y means what is it? CD distance only. Okay. So CD is equal to 2078.4 meters. So that is the answer. Therefore distance between the two boats are 2078.4 meter. Okay. So that is the answer. Thank you.